Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the tools visible. Open Photoshop, then press Tab to toggle panels. This quickly shows or hides the interface. If the toolbar itself is gone, choose Window, then Tools to bring it back. Once done, enable View Show Extras to reveal rulers and guides that help position tools. Make sure to check the top control bar too, because many tool options live there. This establishes the working environment so you can customize and use tools confidently. Next, reveal every tool variant. Click and hold any toolbar icon to expose its hidden group members. This is where the healing brush, patch, or spot tools live. Once done, open Edit Toolbar from the three-dot menu or Window Tools Edit to drag icons in or out for your workflow. Make sure to try right-clicking or use Shift plus the tool key to cycle through related tools. That saves time and keeps frequently used tools instantly accessible in the main bar. Finally, lock in your setup and know how to recover it. Save the layout with Window Workspace New Workspace so your toolbar, panels, and shortcuts return exactly as you left them. If a tool behaves oddly, use Workspace Reset to restore defaults, then check Preferences Tools for option toggles that affect tool snapping and cursors. If problems persist, restart Photoshop with Shift held to clear temporary states. This often fixes missing icons or palette glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.